If you are looking for a company you can trust when it comes to improving the appearance of your windows, how about turning to a company I really trust? Wasatch Shutter Design. I trust them because we've investigated their business practices and we've investigated the way they treat their customers, and as a result, I am proud to endorse Wasatch Shutter Design as Gephardt Approved. Here is yet another installation by a crew from Wasatch Shutter Design. Take a look at the craftsmanship, the attention to detail, the care each technician puts into each shutter on every single window. When I talked to them, I found out it's all in training and daily individual work ethic.
My job is to please the customer and make sure the shutters look good.
The process of putting in shutters begins with measurements down to, they say, the nearest 32nd of an inch. And then this, exact cutting of each shutter at Wasatch Design's factory in Salt Lake City, using computer-controlled precision in the manufacture of 4 distinct styles of shutter.
We take a lot of pride in that, you know.
Partner Blake Christensen says it's all about 15 years of developing pride in every employee at Wasatch Shutter Design.
As you look through our shop and you see the training that's gone into our employees and the high standards that we set, it really shows in our finished product.
For example, look at the care Juan Hernandez is putting into this customer's shutter.
We're gonna have to be picky.
He calls it picky.
Well, we really, you know, impress on them to think about the customer and the home that these are going into and to put their best work into it.
Yeah, that's the way it's gotta be, you know. I think customers are paying, you know, good money for a shutter, and we just wanted to, you know, give the best.
We've really focused on quality.
Partner Alan Clegg says nothing happens by chance at Wasatch Shutter Design. They carefully pick the wood, routinely investigate ways to improve the paint and finish. Even the drills, machinery, and latest industry innovations are selected and reselected when they discover something better. And each window in every home is different, the partners say, depending, for example, on how a window is finished. It matters that every blade individually fits. The attention to detail, Alan says, has his customers delivering him more customers.
A lot of things that make us different from our competition is, you know, the close tolerances, nothing rubs, everything opens and closes freely, everything closes tight. For all the money we spend in advertising, our last customer is often our best source of advertising.
From start to finish.
Count homeowner and Wasatch Shutter Design customer Adam Eby as another referral to the company's next job.
Look at the quality of the product. I mean, I couldn't be happier.
And that's what makes it worth it to Alan, Blake, and everyone who works at Wasatch Shutter Design.
Well, oftentimes we meet with them afterward, and they just, you know, it's the joy, it's the transformation of their home.
We're proud of the product that we produce, and we believe it's the best that can be found in Utah.
So for all this, you're thinking this must be way more expensive than buying shutters off the shelf at the store. Absolutely not, say the partners.
You're going to pay about the same price, and you know, the outcome is what's the difference.
Even if it was the same price, Bill, you know, the difference in quality is, the value is just so much greater.
So Wasatch Shutter Design. Now you know a little bit about the company philosophy, you know the way they treat their customers, and you know why I truly trust and endorse Wasatch Shutter Design as Gephardt Approved.